Xero is great for accounting. Kind of difficult to make decisions based off it though. You need a dashboard. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jack Tompkins with Pineapple Consulting Firm, always trying to help the small business world become more data-driven. So we're getting a lot of requests for Xero lately. Xero, again, great accounting system, but getting the data out of there to see the metrics that you actually need, to make decisions based off of, that can be a little more challenging. So we're going to walk through exactly how to do it, and exactly how we do it for clients. Okay, so here's our end goal, right? This is a lot more usable than a lot of the default native dashboards and visuals that you can see in Xero. And this is all possible with a few steps. So what are those steps, right? Step one is be able to take the data out of Xero and put it somewhere else. So tools to do that called ETL tools. You can use something like Coupler. You can use Xero reports in here. I recommend Xero reports, not just Xero. And then in DataDo, you can also do something very similar. And here you can actually see a little bit of a preview, this profit and loss by tracking category. You can see kind of the attributes that you're going to pull, see what that data is going to at least somewhat look like. And then once you pull that data and once you link up your account and everything, you can dump it even into something like Google Sheets, right? So you dump it in here, you can put it into database format, which is where you add a bunch of helper columns and stuff. You can spike out revenue, COGS, expenses, all that good stuff. And now that's step kind of 1 and 2, 1A. And now you can load it into something like Looker Studio. Now we've got all these different visuals in here. We've got a category filter. We've got a category trend of revenue here. We've got the revenue and net income trend with some averages on here, breakdowns by product, by expenses. We've got on page 2, we've got some cash metrics. Always a big topic, right? So ending cash, stuff on the balance sheet. All this good stuff comes just from those simple steps. So again, step 1, get the data out of Xero using something like Coupler or DataDo, put it into a spreadsheet, put it into database format, and then you can make some dashboards that look exactly like this. It kind of is as easy as that. I mean, there's a bunch of corners that you can kind of get stuck into, but it is those 3 steps: extract the data, put it somewhere, load it into dashboard. Obviously, there's expertise that comes with that in all 3 phases, but we're happy to help point you in the right direction. If this is something that you're looking for, if you need some better reporting from Xero, feel free, give us a shout. We'll straighten you out and point you in the right direction.